One person does everything, one person does nothing, and at least one argument blows up over something nobody will remember in a fortnight. Group projects feel like chaos, but the chaos isn't random. It's a handful of completely different learning genius types, all approaching the same task in their own way and crashing straight into each other. Here's where it goes wrong. Split the work into 5 identical slices and you get the classic disaster. Someone takes over and everyone else checks out, or nobody takes charge and it drifts until it's due tomorrow. But split by strength instead, and the same group transforms. The right person on the right bit. Same 5 people, 2 completely different projects. So here's how to work in a group, whatever your type. First, divide by strength, not equal slices. Second, write it down. A 2-line message of who's doing what by when kills the "I thought you had that" disaster. Third, when someone goes quiet, aim at the work, not the person. And whatever your default, lean into it on purpose instead of by accident. And it's not just group projects. The whole faculty adapts to your learning genius. Professor Pi gives a deep owl the depth, and a sparky fox the pace. Mentor sits at the center, coordinating every subject around the way you actually learn, so you never have to translate yourself for each teacher. The same understanding that makes a group click, working for you all week. And before any of that, Mentor checks your energy, because a tired teammate helps nobody. Green means you've slept and you're sharp, so push the difficulty. Amber means it's a heavy week, so keep it short and core only. And red means rest tonight, because nobody does their best group work running on empty. Your type isn't a label or a cage. It's a starting hint, a way to understand your default so you can use it on purpose. The most useful person in any group is the one who notices the gap nobody's filling and steps in. We're now inviting the first 100 founding member families to learn that way. Find your learning genius at atutors.me.